Hi guys, I am Nasir from Nasir Tech Limited, and today we are unboxing a DCL mobile phone C10 model, and this is made in China. You can see here this is made in China, and this mobile phone has a lots of facilities, and this mobile is Java can read, and FM band. You can share social media sites. It has Bluetooth, and you can share it. You can share it, and lots of items here. Now today we are unboxing, so let us cut. Okay, so we are unboxing the TCL mobile set. Okay, DCL mobile set. Golden color, very nice to look at, and the silver shape, silver color, body is still silver, so it is shockproof, and we are opening it. We want to see inside, and we need a battery. So here it is. A catalog is here, and manual is here. So we are inserting a battery. Battery is high performance. We are inserting the mobile inside. Okay, so we will open it. Yes, just a minute. You can remove this from here. So this is a very nice model. We will recover it. You can get 2 SIMs at a time, and we have lots of items. Suppose this one is mobile set, as well as we need a charger, it is very nicely packeted from China. So this is a very nice charger set, and you can use it wherever you like. Just this one, and there is also an earphone you can use. Very airtight. So this is very nice. You can use this one, this earphone. So in Bangladeshi taka it is only 2,500, and in US dollar you have to pay only $15. So it is very nice. Here it is. Very nice one. So this model is very nice. You can buy it from anywhere in Bangladesh, and you can import from online. So thank you very much for watching my TV video, and if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you very much. See you.